guys, my name is Tanya and welcome back to my channel Project Podium. Today I'm here to talk about a very interesting, not so interesting film that I watched on Amazon Prime. When the film came out, everyone was like raving about it and everyone said that oh my god, it's the best film and blah blah blah, and I was very excited for it, so I got into the film. Now, I got into the film because of the reviews were great, and secondly because Soham Shah is in the film and I am a huge fan of Tumbad. He is the actor of Tumbad and the co-producer of Tumbad as well. So I love Tumbad and I thought that it's going to be in those vibes, okay? I mean, like not the fantasy vibe, but like the killer vibe of like good filmmaking. So I got into the film because of him, and I'm sorry to say, but I was extremely disappointed. Now, I'll tell you what I liked and what I did not like about the film. Once I'm going to give the spoilers, I will give an alert, you can skip the video, and before that you can watch it. So the movie Crazy is basically about Soham Shah, who's a doctor, like a surgeon and a very huge surgeon, and he basically has done some mistake and he has some case on him. I'm not getting into the details, and he's taking 5 crores cash in his car to go and deliver it to these case people and not go to court and all. Now when he's doing that and he's on his way to like do it, he gets a call saying that his daughter has been kidnapped and her life is in danger. Now his daughter has Down syndrome, and just because she has Down syndrome, he's never taken her as a daughter and he does not like her, and because of that he's not even close to the wife. Okay, so he's basically left the family to do what they want to do. Okay, and he has like a new girlfriend and all of that. So this family is in the past and he does not care about them that much. So when he gets this call, he's like, oh, it's a joke and whatever. And now this killer is also asking for 5 crores. So he's like, how the hell does he know that I have 5 crores in my car? So now he starts thinking that maybe someone is playing a prank, someone is just like annoying him, fucking with him, whatever. And he starts like going crazy in the car because his ex-wife is calling him, his new girlfriend is calling him, his boss is calling him, like so many people are calling him and like telling him what he should be doing and what he should not be doing, and the kidnappers like, you have to reach before sunset no matter what. So he's under that pressure as well because he decides to save the daughter. So now when he's on the way, he goes through a lot of like crazy things in life, and one of the craziest thing which I think was super cringe, not cringe but like super dramatic and was not needed at all, was that there's this point when he's in the desert and he's like changing the tire, plus he's getting someone operated on video call, plus he's answering 10,000 calls he's getting from various people, and that scene for me was just like too much. Like, I could not believe it. Like the whole film was kind of believable, but like if you see it cinematically, okay, sure, like you will think like, okay, it's a movie, let's forget about it, whatever, move on. But no, I did not like. I think that scene was not needed at all, or could be like something else instead of what they actually showed. So the film is about that, and I mean the film has a good concept. It did keep me at the edge of my seat for a very long time, but then I think as time passed, the film started becoming very blah. Okay, now talking about towards the end, he's like running and like fighting to save his daughter, and he meets with an accident. I think that the film should have ended there. If the film would have ended there and kept an open ending, I would have loved the film. I would have been like, oh my god, that is so cool. But what they did was that he met with an accident, he fell, he got up, he's bleeding and all, he's got a fracture, he's put his knee back, he's running, trying to find the daughter. He's almost saved her, and then he gets a call from the kidnapper saying that all of this was done by his daughter, and then there's a whole monologue by the daughter saying how she felt neglected by her father and that's why she's doing this, to make him learn a lesson. So 1 minute of silence for how bad the ending is. I mean, I was so disappointed. What a bad end. What a bad end. Anyway, so yeah, that's the film Crazy, and I did not like it, and you can let me know what you thought about it in the comments below, and why are people actually raving about it as if it's the best film ever. Please, let's discuss. And thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.